Are you looking for a budget IEM na pasok rin sa quality na hinahanap mo? So this is the Popcorn TN01 tuning earphone. So ito siya. Upon unboxing it, 2 IEMs. So we will just pull this up. Open natin itong box na to. Meron tayong spare na ear tips. And this is the IEM cable itself. Yan, instruction manual sa loob. And yung ejector pin. So ito yung itsura ng IEMs natin, color black. Yung right, nandoon yung my microphone. So yan. So ito na yung itsura ng IEMs kapag nasa ating tenga na. Yan yung itsura niya, napakaganda. Black siya na translucent. So meron tayong tatlong switch dito na may adjust natin using our pin. So yung L means low, H means high, yung B means balance. Kung gusto nyo ng balance, itaas nyo lang to. Pero kung gusto nyo na maitaas, low frequencies, pwede nyo i-adjust yan. Nakataas na yung low. Pwede nyo na maitaas lahat sabay-sabay. Or pwede nyo siyang i-mix. Depende sa gusto nyo. So, gagawin nyo lang to para dun sa dalawang IEMs and you're good to go. So, ayun lang naman. And if you're interested in this one, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.